What's up, you desperate folks? When I was making the video telling people to buy, nobody wanted to, right? Now everyone is asking, send the code, send the code. Well, I sent it here. Look, the code is here. This time I'm going to make it available. Last time, I ended up losing it because I was on the old computer, but this time I rewrote the code. On Windows, it's even in Portuguese. Okay? I'm not going to explain the code. If you want to know the explanation, it's the same code. Go to the other video. I'm just going to show you how it works so you can download, run it, and find Bitcoin, and become a millionaire. But anyway, watch another video first so you can understand why it's not that easy to find Bitcoin. Otherwise, everyone would have already found it. The more powerful your computer is, the better your chances of finding it. First thing, we need to come here to the site, right? Privatekey.eu, and choose a key we want to find. If you want a deeper explanation, go back to first video. I chose, for example, this one here. Look, this is the public key. Since the private key has already been found, so I'm going to use this here to test. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take the range, which is from 8,000 to FFF, and I've already set it here for my minimum and maximum. And I'm going to put the public key, 12 JB. You see here inside the wallet. I can put more than one, but since we're just going to test here, I'm going to put one and done. Don't forget to save. Now going to open my terminal. Before running the program, you have to download it and you have to run this npm install. Since I've already run it, it didn't do anything. But why do you have to run it? Because here I'll be using a package, a library called CoinKey. You're going to run the npm install and it will install this library for you. After you run the npm install, you're going to run the node and pass the BTCG as a parameter. JS, what's the name of the file we created here? It's just one file, okay? From the moment I start running it, it's going to push my CPU to try to find that private key. But I'm going to snitch. I'm going to steal here, right? I'm going to do this here faster because anyway, I'm not going to sit here letting this run for 10 minutes. What am I going to do? Since I already know that the primary key starts with D9, I'm going to steal it, okay? You, when you're running this program, won't know. So you won't be able to steal, you'll have to let the program run. Since we're testing, I'm going to steal this here. So instead of 800, I'm just going to put D9 here because I already know. Just remember, you won't know. Going to save, and I'm going to run the program again. And here we go. Now the following is happening. It's running, starting from D9. Are you seeing that? DMEO5. DMEO5. Primary key D916. Something, so just a few more seconds, running until it finds it. When it finds it, it will stop and it will write on the screen, found it, and it will show us what the private key is. After it does that, I'm going to teach you what to do next to get your Bitcoins. So he's going to find it now. 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's going to find it at any moment. Now it's going to stop and find it. Hey, there. You see it? Found it. And there's the party here. We have the public key that we were looking for. And the private one here, D916. If we go back here to the private key site, we'll see that this is exactly the key. D916. Congratulations, you found it. 0 Bitcoins because this key has already been found and whoever found it has already taken the money, okay? But if we scroll down here until we finish the keys, there's the one. This key hasn't been found yet. We can see here that in this wallet, if you find it, you'll find 6.6 Bitcoins, which is equivalent to 2 million Rs. Not bad, considering one Bitcoin is now $350,000, 6.6. Bitcoins are $2 million. So if you run the code and find this specific wallet, you're going to earn a significant amount. Around a $2 million. Oh, but can I take the money? Am I stealing from someone? No. Here specifically, in this example, you're not stealing from anyone. This was a challenge set up to prove the security of Bitcoin. So whoever finds it, he deserves the money and the money belongs to whoever finds it, okay? Specifically, if you try to find someone's wallet, then you get into criminal trouble. You can't do that. But these wallets here on this site are meant to be found. And whoever finds it deserves it like a treasure hunt. Okay? So now we're going to see the next step. All right, I found it. This is the hardest part so far. Find Once you found it, it's easy. What are we going to do? We're going to download a wallet and we're going to do a restore. Well, without a doubt, the hardest part is finding the wallet, finding the private key. But after you find it, it's not that easy either. So I'm going to have to do some research, some tests, and then I'll make another video showing what to do after you find the private key, okay? Anyway, the private key is the hardest part, and here I left my computer running, right? On the key, which hasn't been found yet. Who knows, right? Who knows? If I find it, I promise to make a video here too. Obviously, after I redeem my 2 million reais. And that's it, man. Good luck. Download it there. You're probably not going to find anything, because statistically it's hard, but maybe it's your lucky day. Alright, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time!